Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to block all incoming calls on Android. If you want to disable incoming calls but not data to use internet on your phone, then go to Settings, search Call Forwarding. Select Call Forwarding, open Call Forwarding settings, Voice calls, select Always Forward, and here type another phone number that you own to forward the calls to that phone number. This will ensure that calls will not come to this phone as long as this option is enabled. After you add phone number, press Turn On button. You can disable call forwarding after you don't need this feature. If you are wondering from where this option is on this phone, go to Settings, scroll down, Apps, Samsung App Settings, Call Settings, Supplementary Services, and then Call Forwarding, Voice calls, Always Forward. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.